Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I'll be filming my wash and go. So I hope this video is going to be very helpful to all you curly haired girls out there, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, and yeah, let's just get into the video.
Yeah. Said she's straight from London. Yeah. She whining waist like a roll down. Yeah. Straight from London. Girl looking cute on her contour, but she came through on the dance floor. Got my feelings so now she wonder. Yeah. Straight from London. Girl looking cute on her contour, but she came through on the dance floor. Got my feelings so now she wonder. Yeah.
Hey, so as you guys can see, my hair is looking terrible, and so yeah, I'm just going to go ahead, get in the shower and wash it because it really needs a wash. So I'm going to wet my hair with warm water because warm water kind of like helps more to get that product out of your hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and thoroughly wet my hair and just kind of detangle it to my fingers as much as I can. So now that my hair is wet, I'm going to take my shampoo and I'm going to be using the Argan oil of Morocco shampoo. So this is sulfate free, which is one of the main reasons why I like it, because sulfate isn't too good for your hair. So now I'll just rub it all over my hair and just, yeah, do what you do with shampoo. So this is just the pre-wash, which is just to get most of the products out. And just run that shampoo throughout my hair, and now that that is done, I'm going to rinse it out. So for the final wash, I'm just going to go ahead and take some more shampoo, not so much as the first time, and just run it through my hair to get my hair really clean. And as you guys are going to see, this is going to lather a lot better than the first time, because all the products in your hair kind of prevent the shampoo from lathering well, and now that the product is gone, you can see how much of a difference there is. So I'm just going to make sure I run the shampoo throughout my hair to make sure all of my hair is clean. Don't forget your ends, don't forget the back. Yeah, you need to make sure all your hair is clean. So I'm going to just run my fingers throughout my hair gently. Don't be too harsh on your hair. And also, since I do my edges on a daily, I have to make sure the front of my hair is really clean as well. So next, I'm just going to go in with my electric scalp massager, and I'm just going to use this to just kind of massage my scalp a bit, because scalp massages really stimulate hair growth. And now that that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and rinse out all the shampoo. Make sure you rinse out all the shampoo, guys, because you don't want the shampoo staying in your hair. So this shampoo really left my hair clean and not too dry, and that is just a length check. My hair has really grown and I'm so proud of it. Now you can just go ahead and watch me model in the shower, cause yeah, that's just the kind of person I am. Next, we're going in with our conditioner, and it's also from the same brand, and this conditioner smells so good and leaves my hair really soft and silky. I'm going to be putting it throughout all my hair and just go ahead and part it into two. So we're going to work on one side first. Just put a lot of that conditioner, because curls need conditioner, guys. Don't be stingy with your conditioner. Give your hair what it needs. I'm going to put a lot of conditioner on one side, finger detangle as much as I can, and then go ahead with my detangling brush. Remember to detangle from the bottom up, because that way you don't rip out too much hair and you're gentle on your hair at the same time. So yeah, as you can see, my curls are looking good, they're detangled. And to be able to freely work on the other side, I'm going to go ahead and twist it. Next, we are going to the other side, and we are basically going to repeat the whole process here again. Put some conditioner in, finger detangle a bit, and yeah, go in with my detangling brush. Basically, I'm getting my hair free of all tangles and just letting that conditioner work its way through. And I'll go ahead and twist that side as well. So now that the two sections are both up in twists, that's what it's looking like right now. And I'm going to go ahead and finish all my shower activities. So I'm going to put this into a sort of bun just to keep my hair out of the way and go ahead and take my shower. So now that I'm done with my shower, it's time to rinse out all that conditioner. So I'm just going to unravel my twists and basically rinse it out. I'm rinsing my hair with cold water because the cold water kind of helps to lock in all that moisture into your hair. And yeah, as you guys can see, the conditioner has left my hair looking so soft and silky and just beautiful. So this is what we are working with. I went ahead to put my hair in a microfiber towel whilst I got ready. So it's not completely dry, but it's drier than I would want it to be in order to style my hair. But it's still looking good, so you guys can see how my curls are looking without any products in it, just water. Yeah. So I'm going to be parting my hair to be able to work in sections, because I believe working in sections is way better than just trying to fix everything on your hair. So I'm going ahead with my spray bottle just to wet out all my hair, because the best way to style your hair is when it's wet. So you can never go wrong with water, guys. Now I'm just parting my hair into two, and I'm going to work on the lower half first, and then I'll work section by section until I have all the products I'll be using throughout my entire hair. The first thing I'm going in with is my vitamin E repair and care oil from Pantene, and I'm just going to take a bit of that and run it throughout all my hair, starting from the roots down the middle and to the ends, because this oil is really good to keep my hair moisturized and repairs at the same time. Next, I'm going with my leave-in conditioner, which is the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to take a little of that and run it throughout my hair and just make sure it's evenly spread throughout my hair. Then I'm going in with my detangling brush just to make sure no tangles are hiding in there. And since that portion is finished, we're going in with another section. And yeah, basically the same process. Oil, leave-in conditioner, detangling. Yeah. And now this is the final section. We're doing the same thing here again. And you might want to put more products on the parts of your hair that gets more dry than the others, because they would need more of the products to be able to look like how you want your curls to look. So next I'm just going to brush throughout all my hair just to make sure all the product is evenly distributed to every part of my hair, and there won't be any stubborn curl that is just not cooperating. So this is what it looks like. It's still very wet, but yeah, this is what it looks like. But I'm not done though. My curls are already looking very good and very defined, but I'm still going to go ahead with a curl defining cream, which is also from Cantu. I'm just going to flip my head over and just crunch this throughout my hair. This just helps to keep the curls intact and just add a little bit more definition. Next, I'm going to go ahead with my oil again and just put this on my roots, massage it into my roots, because as I said, the oil is really good to keep your hair, you know, just great. And scalp massages are also very good for you guys. They really help your hair to grow. And so the back of my hair is the driest part of my hair, so I'm just going to put a little bit more products over there. Just make sure the individual curls are they're working out. So now this is what my hair looks like. That's all the products I'll be using in my hair, and I will be air drying my hair, which will take about 2 hours. So this is the final look. I'll come back when my hair is dry. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours and my hair is still not fully dry. So this is what my hair looks like right now. It's still a bit damp, but so one thing I'm going to do to achieve more volume is I'm going to flip my hair upside down and just pick it with my fingers. If you have a pick, you can use an afro comb, you can use it, but I'm just going to be using my fingers for this. So basically you should try to do this without damaging your curls, and if you find curls that are like stuck together like this, you can carefully and gently separate them, and that'll help you achieve more volume. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share the video, help a sister out, she might need this. Yes, and subscribe if you haven't. Is the big red button. It's a red button, just hit it. So yes, bye guys. I hope this was helpful, and I'll be back with more videos. Peace.
Freaky like a ghost. She from London, says she from across the coast. The ass on live, you cannot put it on post. Coca-Cola Conto, she got it from my mother. I know do, girl. Please come through on a Nawusa. If you keep doing what you're doing, said you be my baby, you be my lady. Yeah, blood on my wrist, yeah, blood on my shoes.